Love Logic here with another video, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. As you can see, I'm bringing the heat for the springtime, so I'm just bringing a little dab of it, just a little bit of something on that spring weather. I am obsessed with this look. Like, this is too cute. Like, I really hate that I'm not going anywhere, but this look is just really too cute, and I'm just excited to show you guys how I achieved this look. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up in advance, and I'll catch you guys in the video. Okay, so I already have my face done. I didn't feel the need to do my foundation on camera. I just did not. I actually took my time, and I really like how it came out. So I think I want to do a video updating my foundation routine and the products that I use. So I have a brow video, a foundation routine now to put up, and I can't think of nothing else. So let's go ahead and get started on the eyes. I need to put some powder in my eyes because I cannot mess up my foundation. So I'm just taking my regular powder that I use and just kind of putting it underneath my eye for a fallout, just in case I get any fallout. I'm just lightly tapping it on because I don't really want to put another layer of like too much. Starting off in the Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to take this shade right here as a transition shade for my crease. Use window wiping motions, like such. Because this is kind of a warm look, you know? Alright, so now that we have our transition shade in the crease, I want to go, I know I always use this palette, but this palette, I love it so much, okay? So I'm going to take Hippie out of this palette right here and just go ahead and add that on top of it. Just go ahead and add that on top of the transition shade. Alright, taking another blending brush, I'm just taking, I'm going to take this shade right here. And I'm just going to add that on top of the transition colors that we already placed down. I want to say, so far I don't have any fallout, so you know, kudos to these palettes that we're using today. I want to go back using this brush and take a little bit of that orange to blend it out, to like diffuse it a little bit. So I want to go into this new color right here and just kind of diffuse the top because I really don't want the eyeshadow to be all over my eyebrows. Like, I don't think that's cute, and I just want to diffuse it. Taking the Real Technique 203 brush, I'm going to dip into, it's deep purple right here. And just go ahead and put that in my outer corner. And I'm also going to be kind of like bringing it up a little bit. So focusing on the outer corner and just kind of blending it out. So pack it on and then blend. I'm just going to blend that out. Just soften it up on the edges. Alright, so we have the purple in the eyes. I really like how this look is coming together already. So we're going to go ahead and cut our crease. So just go ahead and get your favorite concealer. I'm just going to speed it up just a little bit because that is a process. So just go ahead and cut your crease like normal. And I'm still going to show myself, but it's just going to be a little bit sped up. So just go ahead and cut your crease like normal, and then we'll get to the pop of color. Okay, so I'm going to put some NYX glitter primer on top of my cut crease, so you already know that I use glitter primer all day, every day. If you're not familiar with what glitter primer looks like, it comes in this tube, but mine is a little used. But a little goes a long way. I feel like I've been using this for years. I'm going to pat that right on top of the concealer. Listen, I don't know what the hell is going on upstairs, but they need to stop stumping. I mean, it ain't that serious. I can't stand. I love the first floor, but I cannot stand them stumping. For the pop of color, we're gonna take Neon in the Festival palette, this neon green shimmer color, and just go ahead and place that on top of the concealer. And I'm packing this on with the Morphe M167 brush. Wow, that looks so pretty. Oh my god, my voice is going out. That looks so pretty, wow. Okay, so, ooh, I don't know what to say. So I'm going to take the Real Techniques brush that we were using and dip back into that Morphe palette in that purple and just kind of go over it a little bit just to kind of diffuse it out, like so. Diffuse the edges. Wow. I cannot wait to see what the other eye is going to look like. I mean, BH Cosmetics be showing up out when I kid you not. Like, look how poppin' this color looks. I mean, I know I talk about this palette all the time and I'm probably getting annoying, but I like this palette right here, one of the best palettes they have put out. I mean, look how poppin' this color is. I'm stuck. Okay, let me go ahead and do my other eye so we can finish both eyes and just finish out this look because I'm just ready to see what, Okay, I'm annoying. Okay, let me go ahead and finish my other eye. Okay, so I'm really tripping. Like, this look is so freaking cute. I swear, when you learn where to put your cut crease at on your eyes, because I've been doing it wrong this whole entire time I've done cut creases. I mean, I didn't do my whole like crease. So now that I'm doing my whole crease, it does give me a different vibe. So just make sure like where you see your eyelids closed, because I can't do that trick that everyone else do for some reason. I don't know, I just can't do it. But you know, they like do whatever. But you just have to figure out like, you know, where you see the crease at in your eyes. Like this is a crease. That makes sense. I really hope I'm making sense. To finish my eyes, I'm going to go back into Hippie and put that underneath my waterline. I'm just going to really just put in the same colors that I put on my lid. Now with a bullet brush, this is an e.l.f. bullet brush, I'm going to dip into that purple, that deep purple. Actually, I think instead of dipping into the deep purple too much, I'm going to take a little bit of Swag, because I don't want my under eyes to be like so deep. So I'm just going to take Swag and put that, yeah, just keep that like towards the end. I don't want to bring it to the front. Yeah, that's cute. It's just like giving me carnival vibes. Carnival. So I want to bronze my face just a little bit more. I've already used my Rihanna Sunstalker bronzer, which I love, love, love. But I'm going to take Old Faithful here. I'm just looking for a brush I want to use. Let me just use this brush. Just lightly bronze just a little bit more. Then that powder just took away some of my bronze. For blush, I'm going to be taking my NYX Double Dare blush. I know I'm not taking the Anastasia this time. I just think this would just look so much better, which it does. I love this blush. This is like Old Faithful. I'm going to set my face with the Morphe setting spray. Ooh. rolling in. I really don't want to do like a dramatic highlight just because I don't want to take away from my eyes whatsoever. So I'm going to use my, girl, if I break my dollar. I'm going to take the Master Chrome Molten Topaz. And the brush I'm using to highlight is a Morphe 510 brush. I believe it's their like deluxe something brush. Just put that in all the places that I highlight. See, it's giving me a nice highlight. I have to find another one of these highlighters because I'm gonna be in shambles if I have to keep using this. Just put a little bit of highlight up here. So when you turn, highlight on the chin, highlight right there. So I'm going to be applying mascara and lashes off camera. So the eyelashes I'm going to be applying today are the Ardell Wispies. I'm going to be using the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara as well. So I'll be back after I apply these. Alright, so I have my lashes placed on and my mascara. So let's just go ahead and do the lips. So you already know my routine. I'm going to line my lips with my brown liner. So I have my lips lined. So I'm going to take my Milk Makeup Kush Glaze. I love it. It's infused with cannabis, so your lips get high. Kidding. It just relaxes, like, cannabis anyways relaxes the skin, anything you put it on, so it is what it is. I'm going to take my Buxom Lip Cream in Pink Champagne. This is like my fave. This lip combination is my favorite. I've been doing this. See that? Got too much lip gloss on, but it's never too much lip gloss. If they telling you that you got too much lip gloss, tell them your life is boring. Okay. I'm really satisfied with how the look came out. This is a finished look. I just love everything about the pop of color mixed with the pink and the purple. And I don't know if you can really see the orangey tones, but I don't know, I just feel like this is spring, this is cute. I can still wear this even though that I have this pop of green. I feel like I can wear this out. I feel like I can wear this going somewhere because it's not too much. And the lashes I chose are wispy lashes, so it's not really doing too much extra with that. So I'm just loving how everything came out. I look very cute, very girly. Like I'm just, you know, if I do say so myself, okay? Y'all, I'm getting better at that, by the way, too. If you really enjoyed this video and you like how this look came out, please give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Just be a part of, you know, the team here. Make sure you leave me some comments down below. Let's chat. You know, let's see what we want to do in the next videos. And I will see you in my next upload. Peace.